We'll guide you through how to turn YouTube videos into shorts. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, as we said before, this is a great way of repurposing your content for YouTube Shorts and getting more views on it and getting more attention to your channel. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. So now to go and get started, we need to go and find the video that we want to go and do this with. So you can go down and find the U button in the bottom right. Now what you can do is you can come down here and you can go and find your videos. Then you can go and select videos and you can then scroll down and go and find the video that you want to go and create into a short or create a short from. So you can go and scroll down and find that video. Let's go and say I wanted to do it with this video here. I can then go and tap on it like so. Then what you need to do is come to the bottom right and go and find the share button. Go to the bottom here and you can go and find the option for remix. And you want to find the option for edit into a short. So we're then going to tap there. Now, to get started, you can go and choose the length of what you want the short to be. So you can press that in the top right and we can go for 15 or 60 seconds, as you can see. And then what you can do is you can come to the bottom and you can choose the section by tapping and holding the end point and start point, as you can see. So you can then go and choose it. Of course, you've got a maximum of 6 seconds in this case, but you can go and make it shorter than that as well. So after you've got the selected time that you want the short to go and be, and you've got it correctly selected, press next in the bottom right, and it's going to go and process it. And we're then going to be brought to the editor. So what you can do is you can come over and you can see that we have text, effects, filters, stickers, subtitles and captions, and you can add a voiceover. You can also go and swipe up like so, and you can get access to more editing tools. So if you go and press the plus to the right, you can actually go and add more here if you want to as well. But you can come to the bottom left and add text and add stickers as well. So let's go and say I wanted to go and add some captions. I can go to the right and go and press that icon there. And then it's going to go and generate the captions. As you can see, what you can do at the top here is go and choose the font. So keep on tapping it until it's something you like. There's quite a few different options. And you can go and press this icon over to the left and that will go and add a sort of outline. And you can also go and choose the color you want it to be as well. And choose centering and different things like that. Then you can go and press the tick. And what you can do is tap and hold on this and go and position it where you want it to be. Like I want it quite far down like that. And when you go and do that, by the way, it gives you a little preview, like that's going to be where the caption is in your channel and the areas where it's going to be missed potentially otherwise. So that's a good position. You can come over to the right and then you can also go and choose a sticker as well. I could go and make a poll if I wanted to and say, did you like this? And press done. And you can then place it where you want it to. So you can do that if you want. Otherwise, you could go and delete it. And you've got those other options as well. And you can also go and add a voiceover if needed. I'm speaking in this, so it isn't really needed. And then what you can do is you can go down and you can go and press next in the bottom right, and it's going to go and process it again. Keep waiting, and we're then brought to the add details page. So of course, you can go and choose the thumbnail for your short. You can press the icon in the top left there, and you can go and select it. Press the tick in the top right, and then you can go and add a caption. So I could go and say, this is a GuideRealm short. You can go and add hashtags here as well. You can go and choose the visibility. Of course, I want it to be public so people can see it. You can go and choose the audience, press show more, add a description, a location. A related video is cool because you can then go and add the video. So I made it from the intro, so I'm going to go and make that the related video there. You can go and edit playlists and mark these other things as well. Then we'll go and press return. And then you could save it as a draft, or we can go and press upload short. Now you're going to go and see here that it's now uploading. So just go and be patient. It shouldn't go and take too long. And I'll just go and show you what it looks like when it goes and finishes. When it's finished, it will go and say uploaded to your channel and you can tap on it and there it is. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.